Today is Saturday, October 16th, and Sarah Lynn is now playing in her exercise. So we just came back a little while ago from Isabella and Graciella's birthday party, and at 5 months and about a week and a half or so, you can see that Sarah Lynn is definitely digging this thing. Wasn't really sure if she'd like it or not, but I'm gonna guess the answer is yes. I could say that I'm not crazy about how her legs are, but that's because she's just learning to support herself. Honey, you want to spin around? Let's spin around. Let's see what's over here. There's stuff over here. You want to come around? Can you come around? I don't know if you're able to move yourself around just yet. Can you move yourself around? Kinda. I'll help you a little bit. How about that? We'll move a little bit. Okay. Here we go. There we go. There you go. Look at all the stuff over here. Wow. I can honestly say that I could see her playing in this thing for quite a while. Well, enjoy, sweetie. I hope you really enjoy it. Your cup runneth over? Is this going to be the Holy Grail? Haha. Okay. Puppy coming to check out what's going on around here? Sarah Lynn, have fun. Okay, definitely think you like this thing. Love you. Bye.